There is multiple ways to transfer files from your DJI Pocket 4 to, well, whatever you want. You can transfer it to a computer, but you can also transfer it to your phone. So let's start with your computer. The first way to do it will be to power on the camera. Then, usually, if you want to do it, you can connect it directly over here. But if you want your camera to stand while you're doing it, you can connect it to this little guy that comes with the camera and put it on the tripod, just like that. It will pop up a menu just right here. You can select File Transfer, and usually once you select something, the next time you connect it to a computer, let me show it to you. If I disconnect it, it should give you the same menu, but if you don't do anything for 3 seconds, it will automatically select the last option you choose. So now that it is connected, if we go here on the computer, we should see, but we don't, strangely. Let's redo that connection one more time. There we go. As you can see here now, there is two devices. There is the SD card and there is the Pocket 4. So this just depends where you record. Do you record internally in the memory of the camera, or do you record on the SD card? Personally, I record on the SD card, so this is where I will go, and you will find inside DCIM, DJI 001, and everything should be over there. There is nothing interesting into the rest. You will find a DLRF file that serves to absolutely nothing from my usage, and an LRF file that is also useless. There's the MP4 file that is the video file. So everything is there. The picture should also be there. And if you have backup audio, this will also be there. Then the other way to transfer your file will be to, not with a cable, you can right here remove, shut down the camera before, open this little door, remove the SD card, put it into a SD card reader if you need one. It might also be directly onto your computer. And this will be the very same principle. As you can see, I've got the SD card, the DCIM, and everything is in there. If I want to take this file and bring it to my computer, let's say that I just want to drag it on the desktop. There we go, it's on my desktop. All right, now if you want to do it with your phone, let's put that SD card back into the camera. On this side. All you need is to power on the camera. On your phone, you will need the DJI Mimo app that you should already have to activate your camera, and then just say join. It will automatically connect to it. Actually, you can see that I have two cameras, but it is actually connecting on the DJI Pocket 4. And there we go. Once it's connected, it's already on the page where you can download your stuff. If it's not, you might be on the home page. By the way, when you go back to the home page, this one go back to live view. And when you go on album, it goes in this mode. So from here, you can say, I want to download this. So hit the button here to download it. And if you go into your photo app on your phone, you should find into the collection, or depending on how your phone is made, but if you go into your folders, collection, or whatever it is, you can go into the DJI album and everything is in there. So you can manage your stuff from the DJI app if that's something that you want. Actually, as you can see, we are into the device, but if you go into local, you can find your file. But if you want to do it from the photo app of your phone, you can also find it there. So I hope this was helpful.